So I just unboxed this literally about an hour ago, and I get it out to my shop. It won't stand up because the poles are metal, but all of the components, the tightening components, the washers to screw everything tight, they are plastic. And I was hoping that it wouldn't be so bad. This is too heavy, and I can't even tighten it here. All this is plastic. But by the time you put this plastic and this metal piece on, it won't even, like, I need it to be like just straight across, and it leans in, and I can't even stand this up because the tripod portion has already broken because it's plastic that was attached to metal, and it's just a bad purchase. Don't do it.
I absolutely love my light. I had it set up over my clients for more lighting, so it's perfect. It is a must buy.